Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello YouTubers, how are you? I think you are good. I'm fine. My name is MD Sohanur Rahman Suhel. Welcome to Python tutorial 15. If else and elif use with input function. Today we will learn in Python. If else and elif will use some more. If else and elif using with input function will create a program. Let's start. If else and elif. Learn more about some of the use. Tara variable name. I will comment inside the string. Write if statement. Write print statement. Write your message. Let's run the program. Language is Python. Here I am writing Python inside the string. Inside the program, if statement showing that comment. Here is the value that I will put in the string of this variable. If or elif statement matches, then the program will see the status of the comment that matches it. Now let's write a elif statement. Write print statement and run the program. Language is Java. See now, because of writing Java in the string, so inside the elif, that's the comment shown in the program. The program looks like it matches it. Now let's try the else statement. Write here else, write print statement, write here and run the program. No match any language in program. See, the first variable does not match the value of it. So inside the else statement, the comment that the program has shown. Now if we else statement want to use multiple, then the program will be executed. Let's try. Right here, write print statement, right here another elif, right here and run the program. Language is PHP. Write here C++ and again run the program. Language is C++. Execute the program without any error. Let's create a program using if else and elif. In this program, the user will give the number as he wishes, and the program shows the number of type. Let's start. Write here a variable name. Please enter it. Write here if statement. Write print statement. And write here else statement. Let's run the program. It's 0. Again run the program. It's single number. Again run the program. It's over 10. Again run the program. It's over 100. Run the program. 1001. Enter. It's over 1000. It's up to million. Again run the program. It's more number. We are giving the number here. The program is showing what type of number it is. You see here, the program has commented on how you work in such a way. The program is executed exactly that way. You can be a good programmer just by remembering the structure, how to coding in a program. I have shown here a few ways to use. Now you can create the program as you want, just by keeping the structure properly. Many thanks to you because you watched the entire video. So watch and practice all the videos. One day you will be a professional programmer. To view the next video, click on subscribe and bell icon. I wish you the best in your life. Be good. Bye.